provide you image files and sorted convert word files. All you need is either you edit the data or you manually type the data. You have to follow this technical sheet. If you follow this technical sheet, output automatically comes out. That is equal to manual typing or whether you are converting the data, editing the data. Okay, so here I will tell you each and every part. Look at here. First one, every line should match with the corresponding line in the image, hence the pages shall automatically match with the image file pages. Okay, pages. That means each and every line should match with the given image file lines. Suppose this image file contains 33 lines. This word file should also contain only 33 lines. Suppose here the data is going to end here consequently the. Means here in this word file also should contain consequently the. That means each and every line should match with the given image file line. Next one, font will be Times New Roman, font size of 10. So font size, image में font कैसा भी रह सकते हैं. So here all you have to type only Times New Roman. MS Office 2003 default setting is only Times New Roman only. So you have to check it out. That's all. Look at here, Times New Roman, font size, so 10 for body text. Okay. Next one. Paper size should be A4 size and paper margin will be top left right to bottom 0.3 inches. Basic page setup, A4 size and 0.3 margin. Go to page layout and page setup 0.3, 0.3, 0.3 and 0.3. And paper size should be in A4 size. Okay. Next, the size of heading and subheading should be 13, 11 respectively. So heading at 13, subheading at 11. Look at here, this is the heading of the body text. It should be in 13, body text height of 10, so subheading etc. So you have to apply 11. Next one, bold, italics, underline should be done as in the image file. Bold height the bold, italic the italic like this. See here, bold, italic, underline. Whatever you see in the image file, you apply accordingly. Now I think you know MS Word, right? You know MS Word. Now normally, just please tell me one option. See, now I am typing the data like this in this image file. Okay, if I type this continuously, so automatically data comes to the next line. Right. In this technical sheet, the first option is there. Each and every line you have to apply according to given image file line. Suppose in this image file, the data is going to end over here. Now I want to go for next line. What is that simple command to go for next line? What is it, sir? Enter. Okay, I am pressing enter now. I am pressing enter and typing the data. See here, it is giving more gap in between two lines, right? So it has to come like this. Why it is coming like this?
Paragraph formatting. There might be some space after each line defined. Right click.
Okay, right click.
Go to paragraph.
See here, first of all, the working method. Now the settings are other side it is. No need to apply the other settings.
Okay.
First of all, we want to know that the working method. So now normally we are typing here. Okay, so if it is typing, it is taking this much of line spacing. Now manually, intentionally we are going to next line. It is taking more gap. So why it is so? So whether the command applied, it is wrong, or the MS Word is doing something wrong. Only two options are there. Command itself, otherwise MS Word is doing something wrong.
I think MS Word is doing something.
No, computer never do.
No, okay.
Yeah. So
default setting I think might not be correct.
My default settings, no, here intentionally we are not doing anything. Okay, from Microsoft only, so we are doing everything. Okay, see actually normally what we do means, normally if we want to go for extra line or extra paragraph, normally we press enter only.
Right.
That is completely wrong working method. So we have to apply only shift enter. That is only the correct working method. Okay, I am applying shift enter. See here, shift enter type करके, so I am typing. No need to perform other settings. Right? I am pressing enter and typing the data.
Right.
So that means using shift enter at the end of the line is correct working method, and using normal enter at the end of the line is completely wrong working method. Okay, one paragraph, each and every line you have to apply shift enter. At the end of the paragraph only we have to apply the enter option. Enter where we have to use means after ending of the paragraph only we have to apply enter option.
Right.
Okay, one more thing I'll ask you, one small reason. Normally while performing the work, For example, WORD, last line, last word. WORD is there. You want to end the line WO only. If you type it continuously, that word continuously comes down or it goes up.
Right.
What might be the reason? So now like it is there. Now I am typing the WORD. Okay, in the image file, so it is here itself. Okay, I want to match the image file I want to match the word file according to given image file. If I type RD, it is coming down or it is going up.
Here, so maybe you can put a shift enter.
Exactly. So we have to apply only shift enter. That is only the correct working method. Means shift enter means technically we can say that it is a line break. It is a line break. Okay, apply shift enter and type RD and you can type the data. Okay, so here you are seeing some space in between two lines, and if you go to your home and if you perform like the same working method, even if you apply enter option, okay, it won't take any space in between two lines. Even if you apply shift enter, it comes the same, and you may assume that so some settings might have done there, that's what it is showing like that. So a completely wrong working method. See, in MS Office 2003 the default setting for paragraph spacing will be in 00. In MS Office 2007 the setting is 10 points default रहता. So that's what it is showing the space. Actually for this shift enter and this space there is no comparison. Okay, for the sake of difference only I shown you that one. Okay, for more clarification look at here. So this is go to page layout and paragraph setup. Here you can see paragraph spacing before and after. In MS Office 2003 it will be in assigned in 00 only. I am applying OK button and pressing one enter and typing the data. It is coming equally, right? Still it is wrong working method I am saying. Whatever version you use it, you apply only shift enter, that is only the correct working method. Because now I am increasing this spacing points some 30 to 40, okay, 100, only applying one enter apply करके मैं type कर रहा हूँ. देखो, see this much of space, only one enter, this much of space. So this space is called paragraph spacing. So while going for next line, applying enter means that is technically wrong working method. Our assumption is different, the reality is different. Okay, so it will take it as a only paragraph spacing. That's what we need to apply only shift enter at the end of the line. That is only the correct working method. Okay, for example 90-95% data entry works are getting into problem means, so those who are giving the projects even they too don't know so how to work in the image file to word file, and customers may assume that okay, press enter and type the data, 2 pages enough to reject your work. Assume it, how many people can perform the work by using shift enter? In 100 people? No. Right? Even if you go to Amirpet or go to anywhere and take 5 years experience of coaching from any faculty, so what is the command to go for next line means, so you simple apply enter only. Okay, 100% wrong working method. If anybody writes any certification exam through Microsoft company, what is the command to go for next line? Enter, shift enter, okay, space bar, tab option. Everybody will apply only enter only. 100% minus marks आएगा. Because Microsoft people never said that, so you have to apply enter only. Enter we have to apply only after the paragraph only. Okay, that's what we explain here. Use shift enter at the end of the line, hard enter at the end of the paragraph. Clear? Next, justification is not required if it is done in the image file. What does it mean?
Whatever I create, there should be no justification. No, like it should be by default. I think it's left justified.
Exactly. So that means justification means alignment, page alignment. So even if you find a justification in your image file, you have to apply only left alignment. This is called justification. Look at here. This is the justification option. Even if you find like this in your image file, you apply only left alignment. Okay. This is on default setting only. Okay. Just we have to check it out whether it is there or not. We should not apply center option or right alignment or justification in the Word document. Always, all your Word documents should align with only left alignment. Okay. Next one. Paragraph spacing should be done by using paragraph spacing before and after only if done in the image files. Auto spacing should not be used. So paragraph spacing. So means simple, the spacing between two paragraphs. Just now I shown you the paragraph spacing before and after. Those who knows the basic MS Word, they can apply that one. But the matter is, to apply this paragraph spacing, first of all we need to know that how many paragraphs it contains in the image file. Now this is the image file. Now you may please tell me how many paragraphs it contains in this image file. Everything is very clear.
I think there's only one paragraph.
Yeah, please check it out once again.
Most probably one paragraph. Is there anywhere? No, I don't think it's all one paragraph.
One paragraph. Okay, I will give you an option. One paragraph is wrong answer.
I don't know, maybe the D and that bold wherever it's bold.
Like this. So this is the D one paragraph and here one paragraph.
Yeah.
No. This is the scanned image files, so that it is showing like that. So this is not a bold one. Normal only. Everything is normal only. Okay, normal only. No confusion part everything. Anything. Just look at there. See, now we can see our story books or our test books and all. We can express. So how many paragraphs are there means we can easily check it out and we can tell them these many paragraphs are there. Like that only I am asking you. So how many paragraphs are there?
I'm not sure.
Right. So see, actually there are 3 paragraphs. Okay. This is the heading. Comes under one paragraph.
Okay.
After heading we have to apply one enter. Okay, this is the body text. From here to here comes under one paragraph.
Okay.
This page footer number also comes under one paragraph.
Okay.
So there are 3 paragraphs: heading, body text and page footer number. So we need to apply the paragraph spacing in between heading and the body text and body text and the page footer number. Okay, so how many points we have to apply, how to apply, everything we guide you along with your work. Here one explanation I am giving you. To apply the paragraph spacing, we need to know that how many paragraphs are there in this image file. Okay, nobody will apply this paragraph spacing in their works. 99% people they cannot apply. In your QC report it shows simply this is the file name, paragraph spacing was not done, paragraph spacing was not done, paragraph spacing not done. Simple, your work goes to rejection only. Okay, because technically working method itself wrong, no verification. It never goes to verification also. Okay, next one. Borders, if any, should be done by using borders and shading feature of MS Word. No borders and no shadings in these projects. Already the projects which we are having 2.5 years back already over. Now the projects what we are getting now, so without borders, without shadings only. Okay, no need to apply this option. Next, line spacing, single, 1.5 lines or double should be used as in the given image file. Although most of the files shall have single line spacing. Options in line spacing, at least exactly multiple should not be used. So what is line spacing?
One mostly.
Simple. What is line spacing? Line spacing means the spacing between 2 lines. Now this is the line spacing. So now what is the line spacing of this document and how to check it out?
It's one right click and you can see in
Yes, so in paragraph settings we can check it out. You are right. Okay, right click on paragraph setup, the line spacing is 1.5 it is. So according to technical sheet, so you can apply single, 1.5 or double, but do not apply at least exactly or multiple. Now the line spacing of this body text is 1.5, right? Now, so I want to apply this line spacing to single. So how to apply?
To single line.
Yes, sir.
I'll mark the line and right click and then
Mark the lines. So now I want to apply this to whole text.
Then Control A you can do select all.
Select all. Okay. Select all the data and changing this line spacing to single.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Applied. Now everything has changed.
Yeah.
Right. So but the problem is now we are selecting the data and changing something. Means we can say that, we can assume that, so we do not know how to perform the MS Word. Because if our working method is correct, no need to select the data, because MS Word itself programmed everything. So here directly you can apply, directly it gives you whatever change you want. For more clarification, see here each and every line we are applying the shift enter. Right, now somewhere I am doing some mistake over here, so just taking the backspace and applied enter option, removed shift enter and applied enter option. Now I am selecting the data and changing this line spacing to single. So everything has changed, right? There is a mistake. including that mistake, so it has changed the data. Now what I am doing means our working method is correct, then no need to select the data I am saying. Now from here to here only one paragraph, right? Body text is only one paragraph. Place the cursor anywhere under this paragraph and just go to paragraph and change line spacing to single. Okay, so now it has changed, but here itself normally what we do, from here to here we will select the data and going to changing the line spacing to like this. So this is our known work. So we can apply this work in our offices or in our resume or somewhere else, but in data entry organization it will not work out. Okay, so what I am saying means, so instead of doing this one, so we can correct the mistake where we have done. Okay, now this is the manually I did the mistake. Now I am taking backspace and apply shift enter option, and now place the cursor anywhere. Here also you can apply the data, apply the command and apply shift and apply paragraph spacing. It has changed, right? So now selecting the data doing something means I don't know how to work with the MS Word, you do it. That is also programmed in the MS Word. That's what it gives out output. So the line spacing, so we have to apply according to given image file, single, 1.5 or double. Okay, so you should not apply at least XLT or multiple. How to know whether it is single, 1.5 or double? So by seeing the image file itself we can analyze whether it is single, 1.5 or double. See, there is so much space in between two lines, so it can apply 1.5 or double. We cannot apply single. But if you look at like this, now this is the image file, so we can easily apply how much?
Yeah,
Single line spacing. So by seeing the image file itself we can easily analyze whether it is single, 1.5 or double. Okay, now next one, header and footer options should not be used. No headers, no footers in this project. So these are headers and footers. Okay, no headers and footers, only heading, body text and page footer number. Okay, now next, color text if any in the image file should be given in black color only. Color text, even if you find any color in your image file, you apply only black color. That is only default setting. Okay, next one, font should be always in Times New Roman. Once again I am telling you, so all image file में font कैसा भी रह सकते हैं, you have to apply only Times New Roman. That is default setting in MS Office 2003. Okay, next one, font should be arranged in round figure, not in decimals. What does it mean?
Okay, I can't have decimal fonts or something.
No, font size should be arranged as a round figure, not in decimals. Means, see, according to our projects we have to apply 10, 11 or 13 font size.
Okay.
So we should not keep in 10.5 or 11.13.5 decimals. Okay, we cannot apply the points. Next one, only first line indentation should be used for the shift in the first line of paragraph if visible in the image file. Please tell me how to apply this one.
Only first line indentation should be used.
Used for the shift in the first line of paragraph. What does it mean? So
yeah, if the first line of the first para is shifted, indented, that is what you should implement.
No, so now we are discussing about first line, first paragraph, right? So for example, now this is the work. Now this is the, assume this is second paragraph we are starting. Okay, so this option, so where and how to apply in this Word document. Now this is the option given by the client. So we have to apply like this. So how to apply?
You press tab, no?
Yeah, so tab option. So just somewhere if we see some space before starting the paragraph, we can see some space, right? So like this is called, okay. So if you see like this, you have to apply like this only. I'm saying here it is. So how to apply means, you can see this is the word, you can compare it a little bit, either udhar bhi, no problem. But the application is how to move this one, how to apply this space. How to apply this space. Right.
Very cool.
How to apply this one, how to move it forward.
Forward, the tab is
Tab. See, now I am applying a tab option. See, whole data is moving. So wrong working method. Okay. Now we can apply space. space bar, right? So I am using space bar. So we can apply so much space also.
Yeah.
But what happens here? These are comes under extra spaces. Due to extra spaces, your accuracy comes down.
Okay.
Okay. So wrong working method. Then how to move forward?
You can shift the margins. But that will
Margins
margin
are
everything.
fixed. 0.3 margin fixed. We cannot change the margins also.
Okay.
See, one option I will tell you. See here, we have to use only first line indentation. I am saying. So first of all, first line indentation, where it resides in MS Word application, and first of all, what is the meaning of an indentation? If we know the indentation meaning, then we can directly go and apply the indentation.
I think right click and there should be some option.
No.
For only first line indentation there is an option.
No problem. I'll do one thing. So normally what we do means we use only space bar option and tab option to move like that. So that is completely wrong working method. We have to apply only first line indentation. So after completion of this demo class, so I will show you how to start the work and how to end the work. At that time you can tell me so how to move it forward. So you will be knowing yourself. Okay, yeah, please wait until I complete the demo class. I will show you how to move it, then you will show me. So this is the way you have to apply this one. Okay, so next one, text boxes, word or drawing tools, columns, frames should not be used at all. So this is only plain text matter we are giving, so no need to apply this advanced settings. Okay, next one, the name of the converted document in Word should be exactly same as that of the corresponding image file. So image file name जो रहता है word file name वही रहना. Some people may do that. So image file name means heading name 1, heading name 2 ऐसा करेगा. So that is wrong working method. Image file itself will have some specific file name, so you have to apply that one only. Next one, images have to be ignored and hence not to be copied in the Word document. So even if you we are giving only novels only. In novels it won't contain any pictures or figures or something. So even if you get some pictures or means, apply shift enter each and every line and break that line, go for next line. Ignore all your images. Next, page zoom should be 100, if not work will be rejected. Page zoom default setting is in 100 only, but while performing the data, if you perform it 200, 300 zoom size, so while saving the data, please keep it in 100 zoom size and save the data. Okay, and while sending to the company, just verify once again. You have to prepare one checklist according to technical sheet, A4 size, 0.3 margin, zoom size, para spacing, line spacing, etc. So you have to verify each and every file and you have to submit the work. There should be a plan to submit the work. Okay. Next, enter the missed data as per the image file by hand typing. What does it mean?
Yeah, I have to type if something is missing up.
Like that it is showing, like it is showing. But see, in demo starting I told you clearly that no need to correct anything from the image file. Type the data whatever you see in the image file, it's more than enough, right? Even if you find any mistake in your image file, type the mistake only.
Right.
I told you at the ending part I am saying you, if any missing data is there in the image file, you type it manually. No, it doesn't mean the same meaning. So this is, I told you that we provide you the software converted Word files also. Okay, if you are editing the data from the software converted Word files, if anything is missing from the image file, then check it out in the image files and type the data manually. Those who are editing the data, for that people it will apply. Those who are manually typing, for that people no need to apply this option.
Right.
Okay, so these 20 points if you apply in your Word file, this output automatically comes out, right?
Okay.
No need to correct anything from customer side.
Right.
Okay, now to bring this output, we provide you extra guidelines also, how to perform the work, how to start the work, how to end the work. So everything we guide you.
Right.
If you follow all these guidelines, automatically you can perform the data with 100% correctness. Still, if you have any doubt while performing the work, so now, so you can send one request to our help desk. Our help desk is there. In which page, in which line you got the doubt, send one request to help desk. Within 24 hours, we will get the query solution. Because if you call us, so if we tell you something, we can assume something else and it goes wrong in your QC report. So if you send one request to our help desk, if possible, including screenshots, you will get the reply. So you cannot do any minor error also in your work. So right now, so now I told you the work nature. This is the work nature. We provide you the work in scanned image files. No mathematical equations, no diagrams, no flowcharts, no tables, no columns, etc. So only plain text matter. All you need to type into MS Word by using our technical sheet. Okay, now I will tell you the project plans.